In this tutorial, you'll be introduced to the Electude Courses tab. Courses are modules which are packaged and arranged in a logical sequence. In Electude, there are courses which are predefined and ready to be assigned to students, as well as options for self-made courses designed by the teacher. In the examples that follow, we will be viewing predefined courses from Electude's Automotive Essentials product. The actual courses available on your site may vary. We will discuss self-made courses in a separate tutorial. To view Electude predefined courses, click the Courses tab from the top menu bar. Next, click on the course product you wish to view from the left-hand menu. Actual product listings will vary depending upon which products were made available on your site. From the center of the page, click on the main course title to expand the subcourse levels. From here you can select a subcourse level to expand additional subcourse offerings. Select one of the subcourse offerings to view contents of the course. Now you will see a list of modules which are prearranged in logical sequence from the top to the bottom of the page. This is the content which you will later assign to students. Below the list of modules, you'll find a downloadable table of contents as well as a listing of all course learning objectives. These are available from the teacher login only. Please go to our website at electude.com to view more training tutorials.